Good morning, grade 6. I hope everybody's doing well and you're ready for today's lesson. So let's get started. So yesterday we learned about a short information text. You had to do your mind map and your paragraph about South Africa as one of the most popular tourist destinations. Right. So now we're going to continue to the bottom of page 112 and go to number 2. So it says, use your information for the next writing activity, a brochure about South Africa. Okay, so let's go to our word list. We know that we have a new word, so it's a brochure. These are small booklets that contain information about specific topics. They are used to advertise or promote something. Okay, so you have your mind map already and you have your paragraph about South Africa. So now we're going to use all this information and make a brochure. So on the next page, page 113, they give you 4 steps on how to make a brochure. So all you have to do is follow these steps. The first thing you will need is a plain A4 paper. If you have colored paper, that's even better. So you will need your A4 paper and you need to fold the sheet of paper so that it looks like a brochure. So we know that a brochure has many different sides. So here they show you an example of how to fold it. So you have a page 2, a page 3 and a page 4, and you need to fold it in 3, that the page is broken up into 3, and it explains it over there. So on step 2, it says page 1. Write a neat, colorful heading on the cover of your brochure. Write a sentence that will introduce the topic of your brochure. Draw a picture or a map of South Africa and label it, right? So page 1 is what's going to catch the attention of somebody reading the booklet or the brochure. So be creative, use a lot of color, cut out pictures in magazines, draw pictures of South Africa. Be creative because that's going to be the first thing that someone sees when they open your brochure. Okay, step number 3, pages 2 to 5. Write about 3 of your sentences on each side of your brochure. Include a labeled drawing on each page. Right. So for page 2 to 5, you then write your sentences down. And the last step, step 4, for page 6, write down places where a visitor can find information about South Africa. For example, tourist information centers, internet sites, books, or etc. Right. So that's information for your visitor. So that's all that needs to be on your brochure. Be creative, use a lot of different fonts, draw, cut out pictures in magazines or newspapers. You can even cut out letters in magazines and newspapers and make each letter a different font or color. And remember to put all the information that you've written in your paragraph from yesterday's lesson into your brochure. Okay, so I have some examples of brochures. We have one for Table Mountain. We have one for the Elephant Park. We have another one for Table Mountain Adventure Trail, so hiking up the mountain. And then there's one for Sun City as well. Please remember that these brochures are just opened up, so they're not, they don't actually look like this. Once you fold them, each page has a different information on it. For example, you can see the Elephant Park one. The last picture on the right of the elephant has a picture of the elephant, and at the bottom it has a heading, and on top it has a logo and a heading, right? So when you fold all of these examples, they look like the brochure example in your textbook. Okay, so for homework, you're writing the heading, date and page number, and draw a line. Use the information from your mind map and short information text, and then you make a brochure using that information about South Africa, and you use the steps that were given to you in the textbook, right? So please do this on a A4 page, and once you're done, you can just paste it in your book, or staple it, or just leave it in your book where the heading is, so that I can see it and mark it once we get back to school. Okay, so enjoy your homework and enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Bye.